Hi there, Sanbonani Molweni. Welcome to Fix Channel. If you're new here, please subscribe before the end of the video. If returning, thank you for love and support. I appreciate you. Yasicini ngokuhleba uThando Nes'thembu nezinto ezenzeka khona nokusho okunye ifamily buyiveze siyakuveza. Lana ubaba Mseleku ubebongela uAbongwe okowakhe noMacele ukhethiwe la urepresenta isikole sabo kwiKwaZulu Natal High Schools Football Association. Ngizofundela ukuthi ubaba Mseleku ubhale kanjani. Congratulations, Abongwe Mseleku, for representing the Mselekus on KZN Girls Soccer. I, as your father, so proud of you. The entire family salutes you with those KZN school colors. Your grandmother, Flo, is shining down on you from heaven, and my mother, your grandmother Joyce noMathemba Mseleku. Halala ku Abongwe, uAbongwe okaMacele nobaba Mseleku ukhethiwe la kwiKwaZulu Natal High Schools Football Association, i-Girls Committee. So uAbongwe uzobe khona ke representa ngicabanga ukuthi isikole sakhe kanye nabanye kule group yamantombazane bazobe bedlala isoccer. Izinto ezinhle ngasho ukuthi siyayithanda because le family sihleze sihleba ngayo kuThando Nes'thembu, noma sekwenzeka okunye ke futhi abakuveza ku social media siyabuya ke sizokuveza la. Congratulations to uMusa no Baba Mseleku, wayengithi Musa, Baba Mseleku noMacele, uAbongwe uphakamisa iflag yomndeni. Thank you so much for your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love you and appreciate you. Bye bye.